Exorbitant veterinary expenses often leave pet owners with few options. Thousands of people turn to crowdfunding in a desperate attempt to raise the necessary funds for their pet's medical expenses. We have come up with a new model, a sustainable animal hospital that offers free veterinary care. With your help, we will open facilities throughout California that can provide veterinary services at no cost to the pet owners. We think that pet owners should only have to worry about getting their furry family members healthy again, not the cost. Here's how it will work. Imagine we have $1 million. How could we use it? We could help 100 lucky pets with their surgical needs. Or we could blow up the conventional thinking and be completely revolutionary. If we invest the same amount of money in commercial real estate, it will provide us with the funds to pay for a full-time veterinary staff and the surgical costs for the same 100 pets every month.